5 habits keeping you broke and how to break them for good. Are you wondering why no matter how hard you work, you still feel broke? It might not be your income, it could be your habits. Today, I'll share 5 money habits that keep people broke and, more importantly, how to break them for good. Habit number 1, ignoring your spending. Most people don't track their expenses. If you don't know where your money is going, it will disappear without you realizing. Break it. Use a free budgeting app or even a notebook to track every dollar. Habit number 2, living on credit cards. Relying on credit cards for everyday expenses can trap you in debt with high interest. Break it. Switch to cash or a debit card for daily spending. Habit number 3, lifestyle creep. As soon as people make more money, they spend more. Break it. Keep your expenses the same when your income grows. Save or invest the extra. Habit number 4, not having an emergency fund. Without savings for emergencies, even a small crisis can push you into debt. Break it. Aim to save at least $500 as a starter emergency fund. Habit number 5, postponing investing. Waiting until you make more money to invest means losing precious time. Break it. Start small. Even $10 a week in an index fund can grow over time. Breaking these habits won't happen overnight, but small, consistent changes can completely transform your finances. This is Smart Money Guide, helping you grow your money smarter, not harder. Subscribe now for more practical money tips.